Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag MongoDB tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to create the MongoDB replication setup in Docker. So we'll go through the step-by-step process for the creating the MongoDB replication in Docker. So we'll use the OS as a Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS, and there we'll just create this. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So now I need a server 24.0 for LTS Ubuntu server. So I am running the server in VMware Workstation. This is my server. So Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS server is there. So I'm going to access this server cmd ssh dept my user 192.168.136.128. This is the IP. While installing Ubuntu server, I have given the IP and username and password. So your password is admin@123 and dpt my user. So sudo su. So clear. So this is my server. Now here we'll go through the complete beginner friendly production ready guide for the MongoDB replication. There will be the primary and replica server. So primary server and secondary server in Ubuntu, Docker in Ubuntu with the authentication enabled, with the MongoDB Compass external access, and with real failover testing. We'll go through that. So here we'll build this architecture. So this is the PC MongoDB Compass. I can connect with the IP, and automatically this will connect with the primary. This the port is the 27017 and this will connect with the replica set. So lab setup is that. So we have a primary, their container name is Mongo1 and port is running with the 27017, and secondary Mongo2, that the port is running with the 27018. So replica set rs0, username Chirag, admin, and password is admin123. So in part one, prerequisites are there. Keep you already done. So I'm going to install the Docker. You can follow the previous video, or in this video, I'm going to install the Docker. So first, I will just install, update, and upgrade my system packages, whatever the packages I'm using here. Then we'll create key rings and we'll add the GPG key and apt repository. And now I'm adding this. Finally, we are going to install, update the system. Then we are going to install the Docker C. C means Community Edition. And with that, we are also using the Docker Composer. So I'm running this command. Already we have created video regarding the installation Docker in Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. So after installing this, I'll just allow the Docker without a sudo. So we'll give the user mode as it to Docker user, and we'll reboot my system, reboot the server, or you can log out and log in again. So next we'll test the Docker after restarting the server. Docker that run hello world. Hello world is working or not. If there is we are getting the reply from the hello from the Docker, means that this is working. Reboot. So my server is going to be reboot here. So VMware. So let it start. Oh, so admin at the rate 123, we have login. And next, I'm just checking with the hello world. So pulling from the hello world, and here you can see hello from Docker means our Docker is working fine. Everything is okay. Now I'm going to create a network so I can bridge the network with the primary to secondary. So Docker network create and Mongo net. So we have created. Now check the network Docker network ls. So here you can see MongoNet is there and driver is bridge. So we have created this. Now start the MongoDB primary and Mongo one I'm going to start. So we are creating the Mongo key file, give the ownership of that file, and finally we are going to create a Mongo. So container name is Mongo one, network we are using the MongoNet just now we have created before. Port is 27017 expose port and inside port is 27017 and admin my user and admin123 is my password and there is a Mongo one data. This is the data path and there we are using the keyrings and Mongo latest we are using and replica set we are configuring with this and auth we are giving with the key file. So same we'll run this one. So it will pull the image from the uh, live from the library. So next we are going to the next part. So this will be do authentication, replica set mode and external access. I have already discussed and next one also will you start the Mongo 2 and outside the port is 27017. So different container is running. Container 1 is the Mongo 1 and container second container is the Mongo 2 and network we are using same. And here data path is also we are changing and remaining things are same. Only this and three things are changed you can see. So we can run this one. So pulling the data, let complete. Then we'll check the services. So after doing this, we'll check the container, list of the container. Then we'll initialize the replica set. So replica set will initialize the from the Mongo one. So Mongo one container will just log into the Mongos. So near to complete it. So one benefit is there. One time we are just pulling that data, and second time will when I'll run the Mongo, so it won't pull the data from again. So it will just create the from the image we have locally completed. Okay. So now I'm just running with the second one so fast. So Docker PS. So here you can see the Mongo 1 and Mongo 2 both are running. If you want to see the log, then you can go through the Docker log and Mongo 1. So this is the log. Okay. Now we'll the enter to the Mongo 1. Just remember that. Just select the command. Done. Next. Where and initiate the RS0 replica set 0 member is the Mongo 1 27017 27017 inside port is there and container is the different container. So I'm running this. Or wait for few seconds and run the rs dot status. Okay, let me check. This is secondary. This is the Mongo 2 is secondary. Okay, this was also showing secondary. Wait now. So this is secondary and this is primary. Okay, so Mongo 1 is the my primary server and this is my secondary server. So both are running fine. Now I'll add the Arbiter container. Okay, so I'll go through this. I'll connect this. So exit from there. And now I'm adding the Arbiter container. So added. Now Docker PS. You can see all the. So this Arbiter container is also working fine. Now set the default right on the on primary. So let me log in into primary. I'll put the here also. So we have logged into primary. Here you can see we are passing all the details. So Mongo's admin and admin 123. So now I'll run this. Okay, completed. Now add the arbiter. Now this added. Okay. So rs dot status. Always check that. So arbiter is there and secondary is there and primary is there. All the things are there. Now inside the Mongo 2, let me exit from here. So I'll go to the Mongo 2 and I'll give the read preference to primary preferred. So done. So exit. Now test the replication real data sync is working or not. So Docker exe, I'll go with the primary use company and I'm going to insert some data in JSON format. So data is inserted. Now let me on to secondary. I'll check this. So exit from the primary. Here you can see this is the primary, and here you can see this is the secondary. So use company and with the db dot employee find pretty. So all the data is there. So we have inserted data on the primary and this is replicated in secondary. So our replication is working. So first step is completed. Now we'll go into the next part. So there we'll connect with the MongoDB Compass on the replica set. So for that, I need to give the permission with the IP address because of IP address we won't able to connect. So Compass. So here I will connect. I'll try to connect with the before. So we have a connection string. So try to connect. So connecting and this is taking time. It won't be you won't connect it. Okay. So meanwhile, I'm just going to log into the primary and I'm reconfigure that one with the this one with the IP address. So we're getting error. Okay. We are not able to connect. Now I'll give with the IP address. Okay. Now let me check. So click on connect. So we have successfully connected. So here you can see all the directory and documents are there. Okay. So company is there, employee is there, three data we have inserted, all the data we are getting on that. Now this is working. Now we'll just go for the real failover test. So production demo. So stop the Mongo one. So here what I'll do, I'll stop the Mongo one. Okay. Then I'll connect with the Mongo 2 container. So we have stopped the Mongo one. So Mongo 1 container we stop and here we are going through the Mongo 2. So we are able to access now as rs dot replica set dot status. So This is Arbiter. This is become secondary. So 27018 is the replica server, the secondary server. This is becoming primary, and this is unreachable now. Okay. So everything is working, and you can access the data also. Now I'll just disconnect and let me connect again. So we can able to connect the data. Means everything is working. Means if one server is going to be down, then also my database is working fine and automatic failover is successful. So bring primary back. So I'm going to restart again primary. Exit. So Mongo started. Now let me log in with the 2 or with the 1. You can log in with the anywhere and RS status. So this is Arbiter, this is secondary, and this is primary. So all the members are running fine. So we have done this one, and Mongo 2 is okay. This Mongo 2 is secondary now. So automatic failover is successful. Bring primary back. So Docker start RS to rejoin as a okay. Now auto start on reboot. So you can run this command. So whenever the system will reboot, whenever the server will reboot automatically the services will start. For that we have updated the Docker. So finally status check. So everything working. So volume name are there and local are there. Local. So replica status, RS status, we can go through that. And finally we are checking the everything, all the dockers are working or not. So RS, so Arbiter is working, secondary is working, and primary is also working. So So this is the build production level. So MongoDB primary is status okay, secondary status okay, authentication we have given, external access we have access through the MongoDB Compass and MongoDB real-time replication yeah working, automatic failover is working, and Docker volumes are also working, and production ready is that. So in this video we have learned how to set up the MongoDB replication on Docker 24.0 for LTS Ubuntu server. So disclaimer is there all trademarks, logo and names belong to their respective owners. This video made for the educational and information purpose under the fair use selection section 107 and Copyright Act 1976. So follow and support me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel links are given there. So follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues and subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.